Hello pioneers, and welcome back to Early Settler Camp. This week we'll be turning back to cooking using the potato. We will be making potato chips. Did you know that the early settlers even ate potato chips? They were called Saratoga chips and fried in lard or butter over the hearth.
Potatoes are versatile vegetables. They can be boiled, fried, baked, or creamed. Potatoes have always been a popular food. By the year 1900, the average North American ate 200 pounds of potatoes per year. To prepare your Saratoga chips, the first thing you want to do is wash your potatoes. Slice them very thin. The thinner they are, the crispier they will be. Then, take those potato slices and put them in a large bowl. Cover the potatoes with ice water. Leave them there until the edges of the potato slices curl, about 20 to 30 minutes. Drain and rinse your potatoes, then dry the slices with a paper towel. You're now ready to cook. Potatoes are pretty easy to work with, making them the ideal ingredient if you're just starting out with cooking. This modern adaptation uses the oven, but if you were cooking this recipe in the 19th century, you would most likely use a frying pan over the hearth. If you were cooking this dish over the hearth, you would use an S-hook to hang a cast iron pan over your fire. You would need to put lard or some other type of fat into the pan and watch your chips closely so they didn't burn. Today, we're going to use a modern oven to bake our Saratoga chips. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss your potato slices in oil and put them on a baking sheet. Sprinkle with some salt. Your chips will take about 30 to 40 minutes in the oven. Turn them a few times during the cooking process. You don't want them to burn. Once they have browned, take them out and place them on a plate covered with a paper towel. Let them cool and finish them with a final sprinkle of salt.